She want the finest, yeah. She want the finest clothes, she want the finest cars. She wanna pull up with the cameras on her like a model. Yeah, she want the finest stuff, the finest stuff. She want the finest stuff.
What is up, you beautiful faces? I am Jamila Ariel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are old, welcome back. Now, as you can tell by today's title and thumbnail, I will be doing a hair video. It was kind of easy. So I was struggling a little bit, but it turned out really easy and quick and cute. So yeah, I had a reference picture that I got off Pinterest. So without further ado, let's get into this hair video. Okay, y'all, so basically we just finna try and do this. Like, we finna try the best that we can. Why am I saying we? I mean, y'all watching, so. But I'm finna show y'all my reference picture. I asked my friends which one I should do, and they said this one. So we are going to try and do that. Yeah, so let's just hop right into it. And let me put my phone right here to see what I'm doing. Okay, so the way the bang is, damn, I really need to move my mirror though, to be honest. I need to plug my hot comb up, but I really don't feel like plugging it up right now. But I probably have to. So let me plug it up. I'll be right back. Okay, so basically I'm just deciding where I'm gonna put my part at. I think I don't have it over far enough. I really don't know at this point. But it's cool. And I'm not gonna use that much hair because I still need hair for my ponytail part. So I think I'm just gonna do this small part right here. Let me see how it looks for this. Like, I don't know where my hair clips are at. Then again, I think I do know where they are. Then again, I don't know. And there's so many stray hairs, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so boom, got that part like right there. Perfecto, perfect. Bruh. Okay, so alright guys, so next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see how much leeway I have to do a ponytail in the back.
Yeah, 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 yeah. My day is so much better. My day is so much better when I'm with you. When I'm with you, yeah, yeah. My day is so much better. My day is so much better when I'm with you. So can I slide through?
Yo, can I slide through? I'm just gonna keep it real. I just wanna Netflix and chill. And I know we just met, but I'm finna act up. And when I saw you, girl, I knew I couldn't pass up. You said you not from here, girl, but you said you from the A. Thick lips, thick thighs, and slim waist. And when I said Netflix and chill, you know I tried to kick it. I like your vibe and I like the fact that you're optimistic. I know everything, birthday, middle name, favorite color, mother, father, sister, even your little brother. Favorite artist, I feel like I know myself pretty well. Makeup, perfume, girl, you smelling so well. Yes, I know I'm hubby material. I even know what you eat and your favorite cereal. You never have anybody that's keeping it real, yo. Oh, and remember this, I even pay for your meal, yo.
My day is so much better. My day is so much better when I'm with you. When I'm with you, yeah, yeah. My day is so much better. My day is so much better when I'm with you. So can I slide through? Yeah, say can I slide through? 'Cause girl, I'm tryna be with you.
Hey, okay.
Can I slide through? 'Cause girl, I'm tryna be with you.
Hey, and I just wanna be with you because I love you, sweetheart. Look, shawty, what's all the hassle? I'm tryna give you everything that you really been asked for. Now that I am for real, we can sit down and chill. Talk about all your dreams, I really want you to spill everything that you're willing. I'm tryna be
you guys, and this is the final product. You could do it to the side like that, or like leave it like that, it don't matter, but I like mine in the middle. I want to push it down a little bit because it's a little too high, but it's cute though. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. Real cute, real cute. I'm getting like 90s vibes or whatever, but get into it. You see it. But you guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I am trying to do more hair videos. I'm just trying to get content out. I think next I'll probably do like passion twist, because I still have some passion twist hair like from months ago that I was sent from this company that I did not do a review on yet. So I will be doing that soon. And yeah, that's about it. Comment some stuff and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and turn those post notifications on. And I will see you guys in the next video.